Hey guys, this is a Proctor view for the Tripped compression packing cube set. This I got in the rose color. It actually kind of looks more like a very soft coral to me in person, and I really like it. It does have a pinkish tone to it. And you have the large. Put my hand up so you can see it's about that big. There are two of them. And they have these fun like silver handles on them, which I wasn't expecting, and I think it's delightful. And then there's a medium and a small. And then there's, I call this a laundry bag. I don't know what they officially call it. You have this nice big bag here. And you can roll that up. It does have a snap on the top here too, which is great for hanging if you need to. And then it also has this little bag here, which I use for shoes. So you can actually put a couple pairs in there. I love that it's like a really nice quality material. It's very thick and kind of see-through, which is awesome if you, like, I have bunches of different t-shirts. I want to be able to see the different t-shirt colors and pick them out. So I wanted to have mesh that I could see through. So this is how you open it. It has like really nice zippers, good tabs on them. And then this is like a ripstop material on the back. And it also, this is the compression part. You can unzip it all the way around, and it's the same for all of these different sizes. And it will expand like that. So you can see pretty sizable cube when it expands. And then what's great is you put your clothes in. I'll just do a couple of t-shirts rolled up there. And then you zip it shut. And then what the compression does is when you zip it, it makes it just kind of squish down without too much effort. I could put way more in there, but because I zipped it, you can see it's like that's the open side is big, and then when you zip it down, it squishes it down. So it just gives you more room in your suitcase, and makes it really easy to have a bunch of like these softer cottony kind of things. Just push them down, get that room, and have, you know, a week or a month's worth of clothes ready to go. So I couldn't be happier. I love the color. I think it's a fantastic set that will cover a lot of your bases.